Let's look at the Materials node. We start by getting the shell panels and visualize them as a smooth mesh. We will visualize the normal rays present in our mesh by enabling this block of code. You can see that each position in the mesh has only one vector. On the contrary, when we set the mesh to be faceted, you can see that each position has multiple normal vectors pointing out. These visualized arrows also inform us that the polygons are facing in the correct direction. We want the front of our polygons to be facing outwards to receive the light and render correctly. Vertices in a smooth mesh are welded together and their vertex normals were averaged to achieve a smoothened result. Next, to create our materials, we start with creating the basic material with a specified color and opacity. Additional physical properties are then added to the same material by referencing the same material name in the material.physical function. We do not want our panels to be emissive. We will give it slight roughness and reflectivity. Finally, we set the created material to our panels.